Turkish Baykar's Skydagger drone company reaches 120,000 drones per year. Baykar's Skydagger production capacity. Turkey's defense industry continues to demonstrate its rapid rise in drone technologies. Skydagger, a company owned by Baykar, has reached a production capacity of up to 120,000 drones per year, marking a major milestone in unmanned aerial vehicle manufacturing. This figure represents not only mass production, but also a fully indigenous and national capability. From electric motors and flight control computers to FPV airframes, batteries, video communication systems, and integrated warheads, all developed with domestic technology. Baykar and Türkiye's drone vision. This achievement is another milestone in Türkiye's journey in unmanned systems, led by Baykar. What began with platforms such as the Bayraktar TB2 has now evolved into a much broader ecosystem, where specialized companies like Skydagger play a critical role. Baykar's experience in operational UAVs has paved the way for new tactical concepts, including the integration of FPV kamikaze drones into modern combat doctrines. Successful tests involving the air launch of Skydagger FPV kamikaze drones from Baykar-developed UAV platforms demonstrate how different unmanned systems can operate together as part of a coordinated architecture. Skydagger product family. Skydagger has significantly expanded its tactical FPV kamikaze drone family, both in scale and mission profile. The product lineup includes Skydagger 7, 10, and 15-inch models, designed to meet different operational requirements. Skydagger 15. Plus, capable of carrying up to 10 kilograms of munitions, optimized for medium to heavy strike missions. Skydagger Mini, developed primarily for urban operations, carrying 500 grams of anti-personnel payload. These systems offer operators a true first-person view FPV experience, enabling precision strikes with real-time situational awareness. This capability places Skydagger among the next generation of low-cost, high-effectiveness battlefield systems. Export success. Skydagger's impact extends well beyond Türkiye. In 2025 alone, Skydagger drones achieved an export volume of more than 26,000 units to 14 different countries. This success reflects not only strong demand, but also the operational trust placed in Turkish-made FPV kamikaze systems. African countries, in particular, present a wide range of security challenges well-suited to Skydagger's product family. As a result, the company has placed special strategic emphasis on the African market, where its systems have quickly gained recognition and entered active service with multiple users. Indigenous technology. A key factor behind Skydagger's success is its focus on increasing domestic content across all critical subsystems: munitions, batteries, fiber optic components, smart fuse and detonator electronics, and AI-supported control systems are either produced in-house or sourced from Türkiye's defense technology ecosystem. Current localization rate, 80%, target for 2026, 100% indigenous production. Skydagger's smart munitions feature integrated communication with the drone platform and a 3-stage safety mechanism, significantly improving operational security. In addition, wideband dual-channel frequency hopping enables reliable operation even in heavily jammed electronic warfare environments. Fixed-wing kamikaze systems. Skydagger manufactures all electric motors used in its drones at its own facilities and operates highly automated production lines. While the company aims to meet most system requirements internally, it also works closely with Turkish suppliers to strengthen the domestic defense ecosystem. Looking forward, Skydagger plans to expand beyond rotary wing FPV systems. By the end of the year, the company aims to unveil fixed-wing kamikaze drones, designed to offer longer range, simplicity, and cost-effectiveness, further broadening Türkiye's unmanned strike capabilities. a growing drone ecosystem. After redefining modern warfare with armed UAVs, Türkiye is now extending its game-changing reputation into the FPV kamikaze drone domain. Skydagger's rapid growth is not merely a production success. It is a clear indicator of a mature, vertically integrated drone ecosystem. Türkiye is no longer just a platform producer. It is now a comprehensive technology developer capable of designing, manufacturing, and exporting complete unmanned combat solutions to the global market.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe Defense Lab's YouTube channel for aviation and defense industry news and updates.